Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be doing a Christmas wish list guide video. You know, if you guys don't know what you want for Christmas, I have a huge list of just like ideas for Christmas gifts. So I kind of organized this in 3 sections. So first we have the room decor, then we have beauty products, and then we have other. I'm gonna start off with room decor. So most of these stuff I do have in my room. Here's what I have in my room, but I also have things that I don't have in my room on this list. Starting off with the Teza wall collage, which is literally right behind me. It's this whole collage which I've had for over a year now in my room, and I love it so much that I don't even want to take it down. And it's about like 60 bucks. It's kind of pricey, but you know, it's so worth it. It makes your room look really cute. After that I have the wall collage from Amazon, and this one is not as pricey, but the pictures are super cute and aesthetic. I'm obviously going for a pink theme, so there's also different variety of different colors. But yeah, I actually love the wall collage. And then we have the moonlight mirror, which I also have in my room. Super cute and fancy. Makes your room look really nice. And a starlight projector. I'm pretty sure everyone has this, but you know, if you don't have it, in case, yeah, I'll just put what I have on the screen because I don't know the name. Then we have lac shelves, which are also right behind me. And the lac shelves are from IKEA, and they're about $75 I think, but they're so worth it because they make your room look really cute. And then we have makeup organizers. So recently I've gotten a new makeup organizer. I have my brushes on the top, and then in the bottom I have like beauty products, like, you know, serums and stuff like that. I got mine from Winners, but you know, you could get something similar like this on Amazon. And then we have vines with fairy lights, which I also have right behind my mirror. This one is super cute because it comes with fairy lights and it's so worth it. It literally makes your room look really cute. I love it. And then throw pillows. So throw pillows you can literally get from anywhere, like Walmart or like Target. There's no Target in Canada, but you know. Yeah, and then I also got the throw pillow covers from Shein, which were so cheap. They were like $5 or something, I don't even know. Oh, and then we have a salt lamp, which I also have. It's supposed to bring good energy to your room or whatever. I don't even know what it's for, but it's nice, you know, it's a nice decor. Fake plants you can literally get from anywhere. I also got mine from Shein, so I have like this super cute jewelry organizer or holder. So I have many, but the one I'm using on my wall is from Amazon. This one's actually a lot better than any other jewelry holder because it's like hanging on the wall. It's easier to like access, if you know what I mean. This one's so cute. I think you guys should definitely get this. It's a nostalgia popcorn maker. This is the one I got from my Amazon unboxing video. I ordered a whole bunch of random stuff and I got the popcorn machine. Not only is it like a cute room decor, but it actually makes like popcorn. And then we have LED strip lights. Pretty common. I'm pretty sure everyone has that, but if you don't, then you can get it from Amazon. Very cheap. Laptop holder. So this is what I used to put my laptop on, and it makes my desk look more organized and cute, which I also got from Amazon. Phone holder, so you can put your phone on there. It's super cute and handy. Vanity mirror with Hollywood lights. So this one I've been getting so many requests on where I've gotten the mirror, and it's from Amazon. Super cute because you can also change the color, the brightness, the Hollywood lights itself. So in case you have like a vanity mirror but you don't have the Hollywood lights, you can get the Hollywood lights from Amazon or from AliExpress or Wish or whatever. A skincare fridge. Skincare fridges are so cute and handy. They look so cute in your room. But they're also really good because if you put your products in, they increase the lifespan of the products while keeping it cool. So, you know, the products are kind of in better condition than if you would leave it in room temperature. Oh, diffusers. So this is something I don't have in my room. And then we have hexagon mirror thingies. So these ones you can get from Amazon as well, or Wish or AliExpress. I'm trying to find cheap places, you know. They're really cute. I don't have it in my room because I don't have the room. A digital alarm clock, which is actually so nice because I've seen this on many people's rooms. If you have room in your room, you should get one. Then we have a sunset lamp. These ones are really nice because if you want to take pictures in your room and you don't have golden hour like me, I don't have golden hour in my room ever, and you should definitely get a sunset lamp, which I really want for Christmas. Then we have a mood octopus. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen mine. I have mine in my car now, but they're really cute. It has like 2 different moods, smiley face and then an angry face. Just a nice room decor or like an accessory for your car. And then we have silica pillow covers. So I do have silica pillow covers. They're really good for your hair. They're gentle and they prevent breakage and stuff, and they feel really good on the skin. We have candles. So if you guys want candles, I don't have candles, I need candles. Now let's go to beauty products. So beauty products, I'm going to also include accessories like jewelry. Snake ear cuff by Stay Fancy, and it's what I'm wearing right now. Look how cute that is. So basically I only have one piercing, but this earring makes me look like I have like 3 piercings, which I actually don't. I only have 1. And they're so cute because if you want more piercings but you're not allowed to have more piercings, this earring makes it look like you have more piercings. As you can tell, oh sorry, I'm trying to put this on. The only downside about this is sometimes it keeps falling off, but it's really cute. So I highly recommend getting that for Christmas. If you're an Ariana Grande fan like me, you should definitely get Rem Beauty because that's Ariana Grande's new makeup line that came out recently. And then you should definitely get any of Ariana Grande's perfumes. So we have Thank You Next, Cloud, Rem, which is also a new one. I got compliments wearing Cloud and Thank You Next. Thank You Next is personally my favorite. Then we have makeup brushes, skincare fridge, which I've also mentioned, serums. So I use Ordinary serums, which is so good on the skin. Then we have Supergoop sunscreen. This is my Supergoop sunscreen. I got mine from Sephora. They're like literally the best sunscreens. Then we have Glossier. Glossier has aesthetic makeup and very cute like skincare products as well. Bath bombs. I don't have any bath bombs. I should definitely get bath bombs. Face masks, hair masks, hair serums, and then the Laneige sleeping mask, which is so good. I highly recommend getting it, especially if you have dry lips or in the winter time when it gets really cold. Pimple patches. The pimple patch I use, which is definitely 100% my favorite, it's called Facetery and it's the Spot 5. This is the daytime or the nighttime patch, and this is the daytime patch. Body wash and body scrub. I use these. I'll put it on the screen. I don't even remember what I used, but it's like the one I saw from TikTok. And then I have jade rollers are super handy, especially if you want to like have more of a defined face structure. You gotta be consistent though. Also gua sha, which is kind of like a jade roller, but it's not really a jade roller. It helps define like your jawline or whatever. A teddy heating pad, so if you have bad cramps. Now we're going to other. In other, I have an iPad for school. So recently I got the iPad 4th gen. It's so handy for school because you could write on it. I use it as my agenda as well. And you can use this for other stuff, like if you're into digital art cases, whether that be an iPhone case, AirPod case. If you're like me and you're into cars, you can ask for car decor like banners, stickers, car fresheners, jet tags, peekers. I highly recommend shopping at Superlove. They have cute aesthetic car decor. I know some of my subscribers are YouTubers because I low-key stalk some of you guys who comment on my videos. But if you are a YouTuber and you're looking for a camera, the camera I use is the Canon G7X vlogging camera Mark II. And that's a very popular vlogging camera for YouTubers, so I highly recommend it. Although it's pricey, it's definitely worth it. And then we have AirPods. So I have the AirPod, I think the 2nd generation one, which I got for free from my iPad. And then we have a ring light for YouTube or if you're making TikTok videos. And then a Nintendo Switch if you're a gamer. I love my Nintendo Switch. I'm pretty sure a new one came out. Anyways guys, so that's all I have for my Christmas gift ideas. If you guys have any more ideas, comment down below and I'll try harding them. Anyways, thanks for sticking and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy holidays.